Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to another episode of Cook with Molen. In case you are new here, my name is Molen and this is Cook with Molen. So guys, as you have seen from the title of the video, today I'm going to do a simple recipe of crepes without milk. So in case you don't take milk, you are not supposed to take milk, this video is perfectly for you. So guys, stay tuned and don't miss a single part of this video. So without further ado, allow me to get started. So here I have 2 eggs, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of water, a 1/3 cup of cooking oil, a 1/4 cup of sugar, then 1/2 tablespoon of salt. I'll go ahead and add all the ingredients into a clean bowl. After adding, I'll go ahead and take my whisk and start whisking. Whisk until you get a smooth paste like mine. So for the crepes, your paste should not be very thick or very light. It should be just in between. I'll go ahead and take my pan, put some little bit of oil into the pan to avoid the pancake from sticking. I'll go ahead and add my mix. Then I'll tilt it in a circular motion so that it can spread all over the pan. It's supposed to be a little bit brownish. I've not given it some time to turn brown. Continue with the same procedure until you finish your batter. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.